YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you some shortcut keys that you can use in your daily life. So let's begin. First, if you want to select entire column, then press Ctrl plus spacebar key. But if you want to select entire row, then press Shift plus spacebar. If you want to select entire sheet, press Ctrl Shift plus spacebar. Used to select entire worksheet. If you want to if you want to start a new line within the same cell, then press Alt plus Enter key from your keyboard. Want to insert current date, then Control plus semicolon key. If you want to insert current time only, Control Shift and colon. So this is some basic shortcut keys used in Excel that you can use in your daily routine life. So thanks for watching this video. If you watch this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching this video.